Okay, so I opened these filters up a couple days ago, and they're both got a screen backing on them. But I'll show you what these backings are. Now this one, a magnet sticks to it, so it's definitely ferrous. And this one, magnet doesn't stick. So right here's a little piece of it. I mean, I was saying there was nylon. A viewer pointed out maybe it's non-ferrous. So we're going to do a little test on this. We're going to test this one here. Okay, this is the one we know is a magnet sticks to it, see? Okay. So let's do a burn test on this. So this is a ferrous metal. Well, it burns anyways. It's so thin it burns anyways. But that's a ferrous metal and it's burning. Now this one, this is the non-ferrous. Well, at least we well, it could be nylon, plastic, etc. I don't know what it's made out of. But if it just starts melting, then we know it's not any kind of metal. And actually it looks like it is some kind of metal. Yep. Because it's holding up to the flame. Okay, yeah, that's definitely some kind of metal. It's non-ferrous metal. So, all right, well, that concludes this test. See, I'll do it again. I'll check them again. You see that one just comes right off. That one sticks. And this was on the Donaldson. And this one's on the fleet guard. And this little experiment is going to come to an end. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and take care.